guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix game not using GPU, fix graphics card in Windows 10 and 11. First, what we're going to do is right click on the start icon and click on settings. Once you're here, click on system, and from the options at the left, make sure that you are at the display page. Let's scroll down a bit and click on graphics settings. From here, we can see a list of apps. If you don't see it, you can click on browse right here and browse for the game that you want to have better performance to. Example, I'm just gonna look for one. And for example, this is my game right here. If you have found the file location, select it and click on add. And it should be under this page already. Once you have added your game, click on options and set it to high performance and click on save. And that should have that game use a graphics card, and our performance will be better once you start running that game, and that will also fix the game not using your GPU. And that is how you can basically fix game not using GPU and fixing your graphics card in Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.